We need photo for a student, and we need to add a new property for that. Let's go to control center domain project, open student class, and add a new property. I'm naming it photo. Now let's go to control center web project, go to student.form.html file, and add a new input tag here of file type. Now let's write an AngularJS directive for binding and receiving the selected photo. Let's right click on control.web, add new JavaScript file. Name it upload photo. Let's call our module name here and call the AngularJS directive service. Name the directive contours of files and pass an anonymous constructor function and pass $per service in the constructor param. Now let's write the AngularJS directives link function and return it. Now let's pass scope, element, and attributes in the function param and create a variable in the function and name it onChange. And assign the $per service in the variable. In the $per service, let's call the attribute dot the directive to bind the attribute in onChange as function. Now let's call on method of element and pass a string name in first param and an anonymous constructor function in second param. Let's write the string name change and pass the event in the constructor param. Now let's call the onChange function and pass the scope in first param and an anonymous object in second param. In the anonymous object, let's pass $files object as property and events targeted files as property value. Now let's go to index.html file and drag and drop the directive just below student controller. Now it's time to use the directive. Let's do that in next lesson.